Question number 131. In which of the following conversions in Krebs cycle, oxidation as well as decarboxylation takes place? First option, malic acid to oxaloacetic acid. Second, succinic acid to fumaric acid. Third, alpha-ketoglutarate acid to succinyl coenzyme A. Fourth, citric acid to isocitric acid. In this particular question, you have to see that where the decarboxylation as well as oxidation is taking place. Now, you may be knowing about it that where the decarboxylation takes place means there is removal of CO2, means one carbon should be less in the product as compared to its substrate. Malic acid as well as oxaloacid, both are 4-carbon acids. So, this option is ruled out. Succinic to fumaric, again both are 4-carbon acids. Citric acid to isocitric acid, both are 6-carbon acids, means there is no removal of CO2. In third option, the alpha-ketoglutarate acid is a 5-carbon acid and the succinyl coenzyme A, it's a 4-carbon acid, means there is a decarboxylation in the conversion of alpha-ketoglutarate acid to the succinyl coenzyme A. Hence, this is the correct option. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 132. Which of the following plants allows geitonogamy but not autogamy? First option, Vallisneria. Second, papaya. Third, castor. Fourth, date palm. What is geitonogamy and the autogamy? Autogamy is the condition when the flowers, they are bisexual, means each flower has both the sex organs. There is transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the same flower. This is called autogamy. And this is possible only when the plant is monoecious as well as flowers are bisexual. What is geitonogamy? Geitonogamy is the condition when the flowers are unisexual, means this flower is the male flower and this is the female flower on the same plant. Then the transfer of pollen grains from one flower to the stigma of the another flower of the same plant is called geitonogamy. So, this is geitonogamy. In this condition, the plant should be monoecious as well as unisexual. Now, papaya, date palm and the Vallisneria, they all are dioecious, means both the sex organs are present on the different plants. Hence, autogamy as well as geitonogamy both cannot take place in all these plants. They have very separate plants for the male and the female sex organs. Castor is a monoecious plant which has unisexual flowers. This condition, so castor is the right answer. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 133. Agricultural scientists believe that the apomictic seeds can retain all the traits of the hybrid variety every year because A. Embryo in these seeds often develop from diploid cells. B. Segregation of traits does not occur as their formation does not involve meiosis. C. Apomixis is not genetically controlled. First option A and B, second B and C, third A and C, fourth C only. Embryo in the seeds often develop from diploid cells, and this is one of the reasons that why apomictic seeds retain the traits every year. So, this is correct. Segregation of traits does not occur. Why? Because there is no meiosis. So, this is also correct. Apomixis is not genetically controlled. No, apomixis is genetically controlled. So, this is wrong. So, the correct is A and B. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 134. Study the pedigree chart given below and choose the correct option. First option, this shows inheritance of myotonic dystrophy. Second, the genotype of second F is capital A small a. Third, this shows the inheritance of a disorder like hemophilia. Fourth, this can be a Y-linked disorder. See the pedigree chart carefully. This cannot be Y-linked disorder because it is shown in the female also. So, this option is ruled out. Now, this shows inheritance of myotonic dystrophy. Myotonic dystrophy is autosomal dominant disorder. If myotonic dystrophy is the trait, then parents cannot be normal over here. See, in the first generation, both the parents are quite normal and the offsprings are diseased, which is not possible if the pedigree shows dominant disorder. Now, third, this shows the inheritance of a disorder like hemophilia. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disorder. If both the parents are normal, then this female cannot be affected. Female is affected only when the father is affected. So this option is ruled out. Second, the genotype of second F is AA. Yes, the genotype of this female should be capital A small a. Why? Because its progeny is also affected. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 135. A marriage between normal visioned man and a woman whose father was colorblind will produce offspring. First option, all colorblind sons and carrier daughters. Second, 50% colorblind sons and 50% colorblind daughters. Third, all normal sons and 50% carrier daughters. Fourth, 50% colorblind sons and 50% carrier daughters. See the cross? A marriage between normal visioned man. So man is normal visioned. And a woman whose father was color blind means this woman is carrier for the disorder. So this is the woman and this is the man. They marry each other and then the offsprings can be, the genotype of offsprings can be XXC, this X and X, this XCY and XY. Means this is a carrier daughter, this is a normal daughter, this is colorblind son, and this is normal son. So this is normal. All colorblind sons? No, you can see over here. Only 50% sons are colorblind. So this option is ruled out. 50% colorblind sons, yes. 50% colorblind daughters, no. Not a single daughter is colorblind. This option is ruled out. All normal sons, no. 50% colorblind sons and 50% carrier daughters. Yes, this option is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question.